welcome to a new Guitar Nerdery episode. In rock music, the blues scale is very often used for riff building. In this video I'm gonna show you how. The E blues scale is just an expansion of the regular pentatonic. And between the fourth and the fifth A and B, we add the blues note, the B flat. In addition to the blues scale, there's a must-know chord for the rock guitar player. In this case, in E, it would be the E7 sharp 9, the so-called Jimi Hendrix chord. This is the voicing I'm talking about. The fact that we have the same notes more than once on the guitar. For example, this A is also here. D, 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 G, 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 and so on. This makes it possible to use different shapes for the same thing, because the shape determines what you can do with the material you want to play. Let's go back to the E blues scale and I'm gonna show you a different shape that's commonly used for riff building. So, my tip for today is check out this shape and experiment with it. See, you can play power chords along the blues scale. That sounds very cool and it sounds very bluesy. And I guess the sound immediately reminds you of a lot of songs you know. And if you're not familiar with the shape of the E7 sharp 9 voicing, integrate it in your practicing. Integrate it into the shape of the blues scale. I wish you have tremendous fun with experimenting with the scale. I hope you liked what I showed you today. I'm looking forward to see you next week. Please like and subscribe. Bye.